You guys, let's unbox. I don't come from my 2 hours market, John. Let's unbox. Granuts. For granuts, based on this and get where I go. I know see the Gary brown the price of this. I don't know what to make try this. That I feel like what to get too much cocoa. And this carry new cat or come they don't carry come out. Now so one bros one come buy plantain. The bros come carry 4 or 5 seed of this kind plantain that you are seeing. We don't make water. The bros carry about 5 seeds. Guess that much they tell this person. They tell this man say €4.50, like €1. It's basically €1 nabi. €1 for one plantain. Wait, no still good plantain where they set your way. Wait, no still good where they set cheap. And the bros drop her. So they don't know to carry because if you buy that plantain before you carry reach house, what she give me this plantain? It's strong what she give me for my hand. But see, now before I carry reach house, now see.
I don't know why they are planting the which poison.
It don't salt. So now make me no just now cardboard that they use now. Now make me no just come buy the plantain. I can't leave plantain. Okay, let me buy yam as well. Yam black what I don't know. Me, daughter of a farmer. When yam from my papa come like this, I just order for yam for Europe. Oh my God.
Go your papa can go carry yam.
So I won't buy yam, but yam says, see me, may you buy. One small yam, one small yam like this, we no go, we no go still good, no go reach, only me shop. They tell me €7 something. My guy, now I drop their yam. One back carton of time to say the yam good, so now I drop their yam. So what's happening? You see this leaf, so this, I buy it for, this is for soap. The fabric is always no good man. You see all those African shop people, that's what they find over game for something. They bring this leaf come out. National store for buy now. They play. Okay, wait. They know the first sell at 250. The first sell at 250. What if I put €3 for the money?
You don't blame an money when they sit in that from your African brothers.
So now, they bring her come outside. They bring them. You want I meet for there, sorry to say. They say 250. This 250 this one even heavy. This one heavy. Leaf no days, the body. It don't dry, so don't bitter, it don't dey yellow, it no dey fresh. They tell me 250. I won't carry it. You just watch the video from the beginning. You're going to see where I was contemplating. My caramel, no caramel, I take cook on here, right? I can't let her carry. I can't be like, oh, what is the point? Let me just drop this thing.